Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sheet and entering reliable date values. First, select the column and choose Format Cells to Date so Excel interprets inputs correctly. Then type dates using ISO style 2025-12-04 or your local 12/04/2025 to avoid ambiguity. Use Ctrl+ to insert today instantly. Make sure to avoid text-looking dates if Excel left aligns them. Reformat or retype. Once done, lock the header and consider data validation to restrict entries, which prevents bad data early on. Next, you combine functions to pick or compute the date you need. Use date, year, month, day when you have separate cells for parts. That guarantees a true Excel date. For end-of-month logic, apply month, start months. Use Workday to skip weekends and Today for live references, which updates automatically. When you need a specific display, wrap the date in text with a format string, for example, YIMMDD, so viewers and formulas see consistent output. Make sure to test with varied inputs. To finish, convert any formula-driven dates to values if you need them fixed. Copy, paste special values does this. Make sure formulas reference correct cells and check common errors hash value, usually signals text or invalid parameters. If some cells won't behave, use text to columns or find /replace to force Excel to reparse the text as dates. If things still go wrong, verify your system regional settings. Mismatched date order is often a regional format issue that breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.